Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off OK Google or Hey Google on your Android phone, where if you say those terms, it brings up Google Assistant. So doing this will prevent your phone from listening for those terms all the time, and it'll also stop Google Assistant from coming up automatically if it thinks it heard you say those terms. All right, so the first thing we need to do is simply open up the settings on our Android phone by just finding settings in the list of apps on our phone and selecting it. Once you get into the settings, select Apps and Notifications. And then under Apps and Notifications, you should see Assistant. Go ahead and select Assistant. Once you get into the Assistant area of the settings, the first option should be Say Hey Google. Go ahead and select that. And then as you can see here, we have what's called Voice Match. And below that, it says Hey Google. So all we need to do to stop our phone from listening to us for those terms is simply toggle off Hey Google. You'll get a warning that tells you that it's still going to be listening while you're driving in certain apps such as Google Maps or Android Auto. So if you want to turn that off as well, go ahead and select driving settings right here and then just toggle that off as well. So now when we go back, select OK in the warning. And then as you can see, Hey Google has now been turned off and your phone will no longer come up with Google Assistant when it thinks it heard OK Google or Hey Google. All right, so that's how you turn off OK Google on your Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google or Android tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.